I bought this router lift and this router plate combination. There are some things that you need to know to make adjustments. As you can see here, I had to drill access to the screw that adjusts the height of the router. And if you look carefully down the hole here, let me get to it. There. You can see that I only made it so I could access, this is the original hole. I made it so I can only access the bolt, but there's still a bit of the plate pressuring on the bolt itself on both sides here. And that's important because it stops that bolt from turning. In addition, what I did on the bottom side, I added a wing nut with a lock washer and a bolt, and that stops that from falling down or turning and ruining your router measurements. So it is a bit of a pain, but it is what it is for a $35 router lift, and I think it works very well, especially with the proper trimmer router. Another thing you'll have to do is enlarge the holes for the mounting bolts. You can see the bolt and the wing nut to stop the router from slipping.